Who prepared CR formula to remove the political deadlock between Muslim League and Indian National Congress? Answer is option D. Rajgopalachari. Submarine was invented by. Answer is option D. Cornelius Drebbel. Blank is a method of distillation which is carried out under reduced pressure. Answer is option D. Vacuum distillation. When the fiscal deficit is high, what happens to the prices? Answer is option B. There is no direct impact on the prices. What is the value of all tangible resources such as raw materials and labor that are used in the production process called? Answer is option C. Real cost. The term blood moon is used to refer to blank. Answer is option B. Lunar eclipse. What is the chemical name of the deadly poison cyanide? Answer is option C. Prussic acid. Which of the following is the national bird of China? Answer is option B. Red-crowned crane. Mitra Mela was a revolutionary organization founded by Vinayak Savarkar in the year blank. Answer is option A. 1899. In which year was the University Grants Commission formally established? Answer is option B. 1956. Who among the following was given the title Quaid-e-Azam? Answer is option D. Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Which of the following types of computer is used in climate research and weather forecasting? Answer is option D. Supercomputers. Burma became independent sovereign republic in the year blank. Answer is option C. 1948. Which instrument is used to measure blood pressure? Answer is option C. Sphygmomanometer. Under which article of the Constitution of India the members of the Anglo-Indian community can be nominated by the President in the Lok Sabha? Answer is option D. Article 331. Gender Inequality Index was introduced in which Human Development Report of UNDP? Answer is option A. HDR 2010. Which day is celebrated as the Indian Navy Day every year? Answer is option C. 4th December. Which article of the Constitution of India states that there will be a high court for each state of the Indian Union? Answer is option B. Article 214. Which of the following funds is being used by the Government of India to meet the unforeseen expenses? Answer is option B. Contingency fund. Communal electorate were introduced in India by? Answer is option D. Morlemento Reforms 1909. Who among the following represented India in the second round table conference? Answer is option C. Sarojini Naidu. The best soil for growing plants is? Answer is option A. Loamy soil. Which type of soil has the highest water holding capacity? Answer is option D. Clay soil. In soil, water that is readily available to plant roots is? Answer is option B, capillary water. Which of the following country is known as cockpit of Europe? Answer is option C, Belgium. The term paper gold refers to. Answer is option B, special drawing rights of IMF. Which instrument is used for viewing the sun? Answer is option C, helioscope. What is the chemical name of baking soda? Answer is option D, sodium bicarbonate. Which gas is added to soft drinks? Answer is option A, carbon dioxide. The radioactive element used in heart pacemaker is. Answer is option C, plutonium. Trempuri, the longest cave made of sandstone, is located in which state? Answer is option C, Meghalaya. Which of the following gas is used in arc welding? Answer is option B, helium. What is the nature of cell membrane? Answer is option C, semi-permeable. Which liquid is contained inside the nucleus of a cell? Answer is option A, nucleoplasm. Uric acid is the excretory product of which of the following? Answer is option C, bird snack. The fecal matter is removed through the anus from time to time is known as blank. Answer is option D, ejection. In an earthen pitcher, the water remains cold due to the process of. Answer is option B, evaporation. The power or strength of the source of light is known as luminous intensity and it is measured in blank. Answer is option A, candela. SI unit of latent heat is blank. Answer is option B, joules per kilogram. Which is the highest oxidation state of metal in the fourth period? Answer is option D, Mn. How much cash reward is given to the winner of Saraswati Samman? Answer is option C, 15 lakhs. Which of the following festivals of Tamil Nadu is dedicated to Lord Muruga? Answer is option D, Thaipusam. In the famous Rohilla War in the year 1774, the Rohillas were defeated by the Nawab of Awadh named blank. Answer is option D, Shuja-ud-Dawla. Which force helps swimmers float in water? Answer is option A, buoyant force. Gotipuva dance belongs to which state? Answer is option C, Odisha. Which of the following is the highest award for military services in India? Answer is option A, Paramveer Chakra. Second generation computers can be characterized largely by their use of blank. Answer is option D, transistors. For how many years biological patent is legal in India? Answer is option C, 20 years. Who among the following invented the computer language COBOL? Answer is option B, Grace Murray Hopper. Which of the following is an igneous rock usually composed of the minerals quartz, feldspar and mica that is formed when hot molten rock cools relatively slowly underground. Answer is option A, granite.